Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 Escape SE in magnetic gray with gray cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder all-wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel you have your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media control with volume. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages. As well, you can toggle through your menu, trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you're seeing your radio selection of AM, FM, and you also have Sirius satellite radio, as well as CD, and there's your CD player. Below that is your volume tuner and your different options. There's your hazard lights, and below that is your climate control. You have AC as well as max AC, and front and rear defrost located there as well. You've got, there's your rear defrost there. You've got an automatic select shifter, and you have your emergency brake just beside the driver. Heated seats for driver and passenger, and a 12-volt outlet, as well as a couple cup holders. And then you can open up your armrest, and inside is auxiliary line, USB, and 12-volt, as well as more storage. Off to the side is a glove compartment. You have a manually dimming rear view mirror, as well a sunglass holder. Up above you have your lighting control, and there's handles on the passenger side, making it easier to get into the vehicle. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and side view mirror. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and you also have dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up that hatch, simply put your hand in the latch and it'll open up easily. Inside it's nice and roomy. You've got that all-weather mat and a light off to the side, as well as some hooks and a little bin off to the left. Up above, your handle is located on the right. Simply put your hand in and pull down, and now it's securely closed. And then when you're ready to head out on your latest adventure, just jump in and head out, or you can lock everything up and walk away. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily bring down the headrest with a push of a button, and then pull the lever at the base of the seat, and that'll bring the seat right down. You now have access to the back cargo area, and you're seeing an all-weather mat back there, as well as anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. Easily bring the seat back up with a push, and then flip up the headrest. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's all-weather mats on the floor, and underneath, a nice little surprise on this side, is a bin where you can hide things. In the center there's a little cubby, as well as a 110 outlet. Up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Passenger side, capless easy fuel gas filler. Privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.